In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video background in Elementor. By the end, you'll have a dynamic section that plays a looping video behind your content, all set up in just a few clicks. First, open the page you want to work on inside the Elementor editor. Give it a moment to load the visual builder so you can see your layout and the left settings panel. Make sure you're working on the correct page and that you're in Edit with Elementor, not the default WordPress editor. Next, click to select the exact section or container where you want the video background to appear. In older layouts, this is called a section. In newer Flexbox layouts, it's a container. You'll know you've got the right element selected when its blue outline appears and its settings show up in the left panel. If your video doesn't seem to appear later, double-check you didn't select an inner column or a single widget by mistake, and consider setting a minimum height so the background has room to show. With the section or container selected, head to the Style tab in the left panel. This is where all your visual settings live. Open the background area, then under Background Type, choose the video icon. As soon as you click it, Elementor reveals the fields to add your source. Now add your video. You can paste a YouTube or Vimeo link or upload a self-hosted MP4. If you're using YouTube or Vimeo, use a clean, direct URL to a public or unlisted video so it can load reliably. If you prefer a self-hosted file, choose an MP4 encoded with H.264 for broad browser support, and keep the file size as small as possible for fast loading. Short, looping clips work best. Most browsers only autoplay muted background videos, so Elementor mutes it automatically and loops it to keep the motion seamless. Once your link is in, or your MP4 is uploaded, you should see the video playing behind your section content in the editor. Your text and buttons will sit on top of the motion, so for readability, consider adding a subtle dark or colored overlay right from the same style panel using Background Overlay. Or adjust your text color and spacing to maintain contrast. If you don't immediately see the video, make sure the section has some height and that no other background image is covering it. That's all you need to add a video background in Elementor. Open the page, select the right section or container, go to Style, choose the video background type, and add your source. Keep your clip lightweight, choose clear contrast, and enjoy the polished, professional feel it brings to your design.